Hello everyone and welcome back to our SNS channel. Today we will be creating a beautiful SNS set using our Say Yes number 4, also known as Mail Order Bride, along with our Sunshine Gel Base. I have already prepped the foundation of the nails using our SNS Natural set. Now apply the Sunshine Gel Base, staying 2 hairlines away from the cuticle area. This will help avoid lifting. Dip into the color twice. As a tip, if you get any bumps during your application, you can dab it to smoothen it out. Now I am using our Sunshine Gel Base. Apply it to the nail bed, staying 2 hairlines away from the cuticle line. Dust off any excess and repeat again on all nails. Now I go over the color application with our natural set sheer. This will help to protect the color. Here I am applying our sunshine gel base to create an encapsulated spring look using dried flowers and gold foil. Using a dotting tool, I then dab it into my sunshine gel base in order to pick up the dried flowers and the foil. Place them to your desired design. I then reapply the sunshine gel base and dip into the natural set sheer twice. Dust off excess powder including underneath the nails. Make sure everything is clean and powder free. Now we will use our Sunshine Sealer Dry. Apply the Sunshine Sealer Dry even underneath the nails. I personally like to do this to create a stronger base. Be sure to wipe your brush on a paper towel after each application in order to avoid cross-contamination. These steps will ensure that your nails are sealed. After the product hardens, you can use an e-file. Now I will be using our SNS file in our 80/80 grit and our SNS buffer 100/180 grit. Start filing the nail side walls from top to bottom to your desired shape. Now you can buff the nails to smoothen out the surface. Seal all nails one more time using the SNS Sunshine Sealer Dry. Before applying the Sunshine Gel Top, be sure to wash your hands with no soap and pat dry. This will help to avoid your brush from hardening from possible cross-contamination. Now I will go over all of the nails with our Sunshine Gel Top. Apply a thin layer on all nails quickly, then reapply a second layer, waiting at least 2 minutes to dry in between. Last but not least, I will apply over the cuticle area using our Sunshine Vitamin Oil to nourish the cuticle area. Massage the cuticle oil to spread it out evenly, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on our SNS channel.